you do FP plank before?
Sorry?
Yeah, did you do functional bench plank before?
No, not really with supervision.
Alright, so let's show me what you got.
Alright.
Alright. So you're like massively kyphotic, you know? It's like a rounded back, it's like crazy. Go on your knees. How long can you usually hold the plank like that?
I don't plank anymore.
You don't plank anymore. Okay, get on your elbows and stay on your knees. Now get your knees out of the back. More. Straight. Now get your shoulders above your elbows. Now kick your butt up. There you go. Get this up. Get your knees a little bit towards. There you go. Straight. Hold it. Hold it right there. So what I need you to do is I want you to breathe. Yeah. Pull in your abdominals. Yeah. Push your rib cage to the ground. There you go. More. There you go. Push your pelvic tilt. There you go. More push pelvic. There you go. More. Now shift your rib cage down towards the ground, towards my thumb. Shift it. Push it down. Come on. Push it down. There you go. Get your toes up. There you go. Sweet. Now hold it like that. Okay, now I need you to extend your T-spine. Oh, this is your neck, this cervical spine. There you go. Now, bring your butt up. There you go. Sweet. Hold it there. Take a break.
Immediately, the shaking starts immediately.
Yeah, as soon as your body gets into the more structurally integrated, you get more tenacity, start firing like crazy. You feel like the world record for planking is like 15 hours. But that's like how you do it, how you just showed me the first time. You do hyperlordosis, hyperkyphosis. It's just hanging in your joints. Right. This is structural integration in your own body, and you have to fight your own bands, your own restrictions, and that's what makes you shake. Let's go.
All right. Yeah, the hardest part was like going forward with my rib cage.
Yeah. So drop the rib cage. Drop the rib cage. Get your butt up. There you go. Sweet. Awesome. Now push your pelvic tilt a little bit. There you go. More. There you go. Sweet. Hold there. Now I want you to slowly shift the rib cage to the floor. There you go. That's it, buddy. That's it, man. Nice. That's it. So you're still a little bit kyphotic. More. There you go. Open your ribs. There you go. Sweet. There you go. So this is probably what you're gonna create right now for you. Post your pelvic tilt.
Oh, Jesus.
Drop the rib cage a little bit and take a break. Alright. So you got a lot of tension on the superficial front line. And probably on your deep front line too. That's
I have some trouble with breathing.
Yeah.
Problems.
Yeah. So what kind of problems?
Well, it just feels like I can't fully inhale. Like I get stuck somewhere, and it was mostly because I have lots of emotions stuck.